Now this is how you can record a voice while screen recording on the iPad. Let's get started. And in here, I'm actually going to show you two ways how you can achieve this. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe right now so you don't want to miss the next tutorials. The first way or method of achieving this is that before you click on the screen recording button in the control center to initiate it, you can hold down on the toggle and choose some other options, one of which is this little microphone icon below. And this can either be turned on or off, right? Obviously pretty simple, because if you have it enabled, it will capture everything that's going on so you can speak over the video. So this is a very common option and it works well, right? It's built in and everything, right? But also on the other hand, a lot of people, including myself, do it a little bit differently, where we just capture the screen recording as it is without any speech or any sound whatsoever. It gets saved into the gallery as a video without any sound. And then in the next step, we add the voiceover or the audio later. And you can achieve this using video editor, for example, using CapCut, where you can start a new project, import the screen recording onto the timeline, and then click on Add Audio, which lets you add the sound in multiple different ways, one of which is the voiceover method. So you'll be able to see like the video playing, so you can comment in real time about what's going on the screen, but you do it in 2 steps, right? So it's much more convenient if you ask me. But these are the most common ways how you can do this. Let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials and guides similar to this one, and I'll catch you in the future videos.